Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this web lecture in which I will introduce to you the most important terminology in order to define someone's morality. We will explore the exact meaning of norms, values, interests and virtue today. Now, let's start with the norm. A norm is actually something we do. It's a behavior. You can see this. Therefore, if we define a norm, it always has a verb in it. So, for instance, a very famous norm would be ladies go first. Miffy, you're a lady, you can go first. Oh, okay, thank you. That's the norm. But why would I do that? Well, I would do that in order to realize a particular value. In this case, the value is a noun. It is something I seek to realize, something I value, obviously, something I find very important in life to realize. In this case, that would be respect. So, ladies go first is the norm and respect is the value. However, it's always really important to keep reflecting on the link between the norm and the value. A norm can never be stripped of its value. Here's another example. What if there is a school shooting going on and I hear someone shooting around with a gun? And Miffy and I, we're both standing near a door and I say to Miffy, well Miffy, I hear someone shooting around, but hey, ladies go first, so there you go. Why don't you go check out? Yeah, but there is a school shooting going on. Well, I'm very respectful because ladies go first. Okay. And I'll see if she survives and then maybe I'll join, and if she doesn't, well, then I'll just wait a bit longer. In this particular case, it is obvious that the underlying value is now not respect. While I'm actually holding on to the same norm, the value has changed. In this case, the value is my own safety and not necessarily respect for Miffy. So again, it's really important to keep reflecting on the link between the norm and the value. So, there are two more words here. That's interest on the one hand and virtue on the other hand. Interest could be defined as material or immaterial things you require in order to be able to comply with a norm, whereas virtue could be defined as characteristics you require in order to be able to comply with a norm. In this particular case, where I let Miffy go first, the interest would be a door, because there is no point in letting a lady go first, there is only a wall. In case of virtue, I must be a respectful person, because if I would be a disrespectful person, I would probably not be able to let ladies go first, because it doesn't even occur to me that this is something I should do. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the norm is what I do, ladies go first. The value is what I seek to realize, respect. The interest is the material or immaterial stuff I require in order to comply with the norm, adore, and the virtue is the characteristic I require in order to be able to comply with the norm. I must be respectful. All this in combination says a great deal about my own ethical morality. Thank you very much for watching and good luck.